Good morning, student. Good morning, class 7. Student, today we will learn a new lesson, lesson number 13, a conjunction. Conjunction means what? A conjunctions are the word that joins the word, phrase and clause. Suppose a simple sentence দুটো সেন্টেন্সকে একটি ওয়ার্ড দিয়ে একটা সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করাটাকে বলা হয় কনজাংশন। যে ওয়ার্ডটাকে ইউজ করব সেই ওয়ার্ডটা যেন দুটোকেই রিলেট করে। লাইক see what is written here. Conjunctions are the word which joins the word, phrase and a clause. The above sentence highlighted with the and, but, or. These are the some of the conjunctions. Like see, if you say দুটো সেন্টেন্স থাকতে পারে like he brought a pen or he brought a pencil and together we can join with like a he bought a pen and a pencil. তাহলে and is a conjunction. দুটো সেন্টেন্সকে একটা সেন্টেন্স করে দিয়ে সেটা অ্যান্ড দিয়ে আমি অ্যাড করব। ওকে, শি ইজ ভেরি হেলথি অ্যান্ড কোয়াইট বিউটিফুল। শি ইজ ভেরি হেলথি অ্যান্ড কোয়াইট বিউটিফুল। দ্যাট মিন্স কি একই মানুষের কথা বলা হয়েছে, তাই না? অ্যান্ড উই আর রাইটিং হিয়ার অ্যান্ড গিভ মি সাম মানি আই শ্যাল হেল্প ইউ। ইটস আ ক্লজ and is a conjunctions. That means conjunction is used in between the words, phrase and the clause. Okay. Now see the kinds of conjunctions. There are three kinds of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions that are and, but, or, etc. and correlative conjunctions that are both and, either or, neither nor, hardly, when, though, yet, not only, but also, etc. These are the correlative conjunction. And subordinating conjunctions are after, before, because, when, where, etc. These are the subordinating conjunctions. Now see what is written here. Coordinating conjunctions. What is coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions that joins two or main clause. That means that joins two or main clause are called coordinating conjunctions. They are equal rank. They are of equal rank and also independent of principal clause. These clauses are meaningful even when they are not joined by the conjunction. Conjunction join না করলেও তুমি এর meaning ঠিক থাকবে। And you can, if you join a conjunction, the meaning will be same. For example, see, he went to the room and sat on the chair. He went to the room and sat on the chair. তার মানে কি দুটোর সাথে একটা রিলেশন আছে, কোঅর্ডিনেট করছে এক অপরকে, সেই জন্য এটা বলেছে। This sentence can be broken into two independent sentences, which is he went into the room, he sat on the chair. দুটো সেন্টেন্স আছে, সেই দুটো সেন্টেন্সকে আমি এক করে একটা সেন্টেন্স করে দিলাম by adding and. Okay, now we will study about the subordinating conjunctions. What are subordinating conjunctions? Now see, subordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions that joins the main and the subordinating clause. These clauses are of equal rank. These clauses are of equal rank. The subordinating clause cannot stand alone. The subordinating clause cannot stand alone. It has to depend on the main clause to be meaningful. Hence, subordinate clause is also called dependent clause. That means it is depending upon the another clause. Like see example, he failed because he did not work hard. সে ফেল করেছিল কারণ সে সেরকম খাটেনি বা সে সেরকম কষ্ট করেনি। That means the meaning of this main clause is he failed. This is a main clause. Okay, this is a main clause. He failed is a main clause. It's clear, but the subordinate clause is clause because he did not work hard. So not meaningful. It had to depends on the main clause to the meaning. তাহলে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ কি হচ্ছে, মেইন ক্লজ উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে থাকে, তাই না? ইয়েস। নাও সি correlative conjunctions. That is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions joins the two sentence or phrase in groups. These conjunctions are used in pairs. এগুলো সব পেয়ার ইউজ করা হয়। Like either I or Mahima will win the match. হয় আমি না সে win the match. Okay, correlating conjunctions, relative. Using of coordinating conjunctions, see some of the coordinating conjunctions are and, where and is used, two or to make four. That means and means এবং, তাই না? Yes, she is young. and beautiful এবং সুন্দর, তাই না? As well as Ram as well as Shyam came to the meeting, মানে দুজনই এসছে. He prints as well as published his novels. He has constructed a new house as well as bought a flat in Delhi. Next one, not only but also. Not only but also. Not only Ram but also Shyam came. He is not only rich but also handsome. He is not only rich but handsome. He not only came but also brought gifts. Not only came but also brought gifts. Now see the or, uses of or, where the or is used as a conjunction. Or shows a choice between two things. Or সবসময় দুটো জিনিসের মধ্যে চয়েস বোঝায়. Like she may or may not come. She may or may not come. আসতে পারে বা নাও আসতে পারে. or এই জায়গায় ইউজ করা হয়. ওকে. Ram or Shyam will go. Ram or Shyam will go. You must work hard or you will fail. You must work hard or you will fail. But show construct. He is rich but miserly. He is rich but miserly. She worked hard but failed. Ram came but Mohan didn't came. That means but is a conjunctions of both of the sentence and it joins the sentence. Both and are used. Both and are used for emphasis. Both Mohan and Sohan came to the party. মানে জোর করে বোঝাচ্ছে. emphasis মানে কি জোরপূর্বকভাবে বোঝাচ্ছে. ওকে. She both reads and speaks French. He is both rich and handsome. Now see the either or neither. Either or. Either is used for empathic choice like যেকোনো একজন. Either Mohan or Karan was present there. You must improve either your work or your behavior. Neither nor. Neither Kabir or Ram was present there. He is neither rich nor intelligent. He has brought neither a house nor a plot. Okay. And now see where the yet is used. Yet is used. Yet is used for surprise or unexpectedness. He worked hard yet he failed. He worked hard yet he failed. She was firm yet polite. Yet polite. Okay student, we will do up to here. Next day we will continue the rest of the lesson and the exercise number 1 will be the homework for everyone. Do it everyone and show it to me in the next class. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.